Hello guys, this is your Vishal Jain, your faculty for ACCFR and SBR. Guys, since your exams are over now, we are announcing live and the fresh batches for upcoming December 2025, March 2026 and beyond examinations. I'll quickly run you through all the details of my upcoming batch. Now understand. Guys, we understand that the syllabus of FR and SBR is quite very vast, and to complete the entire syllabus within 2.5 months is a little bit difficult for a student. I understand that. So what we have done is we have structured our classes into two parts. One is the concept lectures, one is the practice sessions. Now the concept lectures will be provided to you in an entirely recorded mode, but the recording will be the latest. Okay, recording will be the latest, and the practice sessions will be conducted live. Let me give you the details. First of all, we will give you the details about the FR batch, and then I'll give you the details about my SBR batch. So concepts, as I told, will be provided to you entirely recorded, but the practice will be provided entirely live. Okay, we will be conducting live practice sessions on every Monday and Thursday at 7 p.m. India time. At 7 p.m. India time. Okay, now sir, how will we practice the questions? Guys, we understand that a FR student generally struggles. Sir, shall I solve Kaplan, BPP, Study Hub, or practice platform? Where to solve the questions from? So what we have done is we have compiled all the questions from BPP, Kaplan, Study Hub at one place. And now we will be solving these questions. Sir, how exactly? Let me show you from my previous batch. Let me show you the notes from my previous batch. Okay. So now just see across FR September 2025. Just see the practice sessions. Okay. So what we used to do is, see, these are the questions, okay, where you can see the questions from BPP, you can see the questions from Kaplan, you can see the question from Study Hub, everything is there. Now what I used to do is I used to identify, see how many questions are there in this one. How many questions are there? Let's suppose 21 questions are there. Okay, so first of all, after completing the concepts as per the planner, I give to my students, let's see, you have to solve these questions. You solve it on your own. First of all, you try to solve it on your own. Now after solving it on your own, you have to come to the class. Now in the class what I will be doing here is I will be highlighting few LDR questions. Sir, what is LDR? Last day revision questions. Okay, these are the questions which you have to solve a week before the exams, and these are the unique questions. So these I'll be solving in the live class irrespective of whether you have query or you don't have query. Now apart from these questions, if you have query in any other questions, I'll be solving those questions also. But for few important chapters, like for example impairment of assets, you will find me discussing almost all the questions. See, you will find me discussing almost all the questions. I'm discussing almost all the questions here. Almost all the questions I'm discussing in my live sessions. Okay. Not only the questions from, you can say, a Study Hub or BPP Kaplan. I also take it few examples from BPP, few examples from Study Hub. So what happens is this way in the live sessions we are focusing more and more on the practice of questions. Okay, so concepts you can watch recorded, accumulate your queries, discuss with me in the live session. Apart from that, we'll practice the questions also. In the live session, our only focus will be to practice the questions, and it will be the best combo ever, I can say. Concepts watch at your own pace. Come prepared. Let's practice in the live session where you can discuss all your queries with me. Okay, coming back to my this one. Okay, now comes, sir, how are you going to conduct mock tests? So now mock test, though I am promising five is the bare minimum mock test which will be provided to you definitely. But generally I conduct more than that. Okay, so what I do is generally in my sessions is I try to conduct a mock session every weekend. Every weekend I conduct mock tests. Okay, but yes, not every week we can test mock tests definitely, because due to lack of time bandwidth also. So what we do is we try to take up every week, but if there is some other class to be taken, so we help in revisions also. Okay, we help in revisions also. So now live classes is supposed to happen on Monday and Thursday, but apart from that I will be taking class on Saturday also. Not every Saturday, on a need basis, I will be taking a class on Saturday. Now, on this class, either I will be helping you in the revision of the concepts or a evaluation of the mock test conducted. Okay, so this will help you with the mock test also. So now, so far, concepts pre-recorded, practice live, you will get the recorded of these live classes also, and mock test and revisions on Saturday. So I believe this is a perfect combo of everything in one package. Okay, now we promise 5 mock test, 3 will be block wise mock test of 50 marker, and 2 will be full-fledged mock test and including pre mock exam for your attempt. Now, what all things you will get? So I will be providing you with the soft copy of the FR capsule book. Sir, what is FR capsule book? Let me show that also to you guys. Okay, I'm showing everything from, see, can you see the completed lectures? So these are the notes which I'm showing to you from my previous batches. Okay, capsule book. So this is the capsule book. Let's suppose borrowing costs. So what is there? See, so this is a capsule book, everything summarized. So I have prepared this capsule book after referring to BPP, Kaplan, Study Hub, past papers, practice papers, examiner report, everything. Okay. Now, what is the key benefit of this capsule book? First point, it summarizes all the concepts. Okay. Second thing, if you can see here, it will have master example. Okay, if you solve this example, your entire Sarah, you can say the explanation of the concept will get clear. Master examples. Okay, further see master example number 2, again a good one, and you can see this question is coming from the technical article. Okay, so all the things are well covered in our classes. Okay, now the best part of this capsule book is the exam focus point. Do you know what is this exam focus point? So in this exam focus point, I will be particularly referring to the mistakes either identified or highlighted by the examining team or as per my experience with the students. Okay, what are the mistakes which you could have done in the exam? I'm highlighting it beforehand itself so that you don't need to repeat these mistakes in the exam. Okay, and we will be discussing all these exam focus point in our regular classes also. Okay, so this is the benefit of the capsule book, and you will get the soft copy of this capsule book. Additionally, I am starting now. I'm announcing one more thing, which we are starting from the this batch itself. See, guys, I try to include some or the new point in every batch. Now, the benefit of this batch is 1 month before the exam. 1 month before the exam, we will be sending you a hard copy of revision. Now, what will be in the revision book? It will have one pager summary chart for each topic, one pager summary chart for each topic, one page summary chart for each topic. And I believe it will help you in the revision, the best way of revising things. Okay, and using that summary book, I will help you in the revisions also of the FR. Okay, now, sir, if we enroll for this batch, now, and let's suppose I can't attend the live batch, then what? You will get the recordings within 24 hours of the conduct of the live sessions. Sir, how to enroll for this batch? Just watch the video till the end. Towards the end, I will actually guide you how to enroll in this batch also. Okay, but yes, if you're someone who is interested in this batch, there is a Google link of the Google form in the description box. You can fill the Google form. Our team will contact you and you can enroll. Okay, if you directly want to enroll, I will guide you towards the end how to visit our website, how to directly enroll. I will guide you. Need not worry at all from that perspective. Okay, so this is the details from an FR perspective. One more thing, guys. One more thing. From an FR, what we are offering here is there will be 2 batches of FR. FR English or Hindi English mix. In this, you will get the concepts in Hindi, but the practice, mock, revisions in English. And another will be FR English batch. FR English batch. Now here the difference is you will get the concepts also in English. That's the difference. Okay, so you will get these 2 batches for FR. The price for both the batches is same. Both the batches this part will be live, this part will be live. For both the batch, this part will be recorded, this part will be recorded. I believe this quickly sums up all the details about my upcoming FR batch. For if you need any further details, you can reach out to me also, or you can fill the Google form. Our team will reach out to you. If you want to reach out to me, you know my contact number 85. Okay, I'll give my contact number here. Okay, this is my contact number. You can reach out to me, okay, or my team. Aram se, no issues in that. Okay. Now coming to the SBR batch. As I said, the structure of SBR batch also remains the same. The concept lectures will be fully pre-recorded. The practice sessions will be entirely live. Now what will be happening is, okay, so I will upload the entire concept lectures and give it to you, and you have to watch it according to the planner I will share. Now every Saturday at 9 a.m. we will meet. Now in these sessions, I will be first of all taking up your queries. I'll be first of all taking up your queries, whatever queries you have after watching the concept lectures. Plus, I will be helping you in the practice of the questions. Now, how will we practice questions? Okay. So now, ideally, what we used to do in the previous batch is after completion of the entire syllabus, we used to go to ACCA practice platform, and there we used to practice few important questions. Okay. We used to practice around 70% of the questions. Okay. But now from this batch, what we are changing our approach is I have broken down every question topic wise. Okay. So now after, let's suppose we complete a chapter called as revenue, whatever are the relevant questions of revenue, we will be practicing in the weekend session, in these weekend sessions, which will be conducted on the Saturday. Okay. So on the weekend sessions, we will focus on queries. We will focus on the practice of questions. Also, sometimes for the important chapters like group accounting, financial instruments, we'll also provide you with the revision, live revision support. Though we will be providing you with the revision batch for the entire batch for free to all of you. Okay, whoever enrolls in my regular batch gets a revision as a complimentary. It is uploaded on your portal, that is for free. Okay, so let's suppose if you want to complete a chapter, you want to revise the chapter, you can revise from my revision video, which will be already uploaded on the portal. But additionally, for few important chapters, I will also be providing you the live revisions. Okay, now, so concepts pre-recorded, practice will be done on Saturday, it will be live. Okay, now mock test and revisions will be conducted on the Saturday sessions itself, which I will be announcing in the class. Sir, how many mock tests? So we'll be conducting 3 full-fledged mock tests. Okay, now I'm not counting these mock tests. When I say 3 full-fledged mock tests, it will be conducted after the completion of the entire syllabus. Okay, these are the questions which will be solving on the ACCA practice platform. Now let me talk a little bit about our mock tests. So what is the structure of the mock tests? Okay. Now 3 mock tests. Out of these 3, 2 mock tests, what I will do is I will give you a question paper, which I will ask you to solve on ACCA practice platform. You have to solve. Okay. And after that, I will take up a session wherein I'll discuss the entire question. Okay. Now, if you have any queries in that, or you made any mistake in solving, you can discuss that with me. Now, the third one will be the pre-mock for your exam. Now, in this one, what you have to do is you have to solve the paper, send the paper to me as a PDF, which I will evaluate and send the feedback to you guys. Okay. So this will be the structure of the mock test. So concepts I discussed pre-recorded, practice will be live. Okay, now revisions will be pre-recorded, but revisions for important chapters will be provided live. Okay, now mock test, 3 mock test, I already discussed the schedule of it. Okay, now what are you going to get? You will be getting a soft copy of the SBR capsule. Okay, plus from this batch we are introducing one new thing in our batches, that is SBR revision book. Okay, so 1 month prior to the exams, we will be sending you the hard copy of the SBR revision book. Now, in this book, you will see 1-pager summary for all the standards. 1-pager summary for each and every standard. You will get it. Okay, and I believe this will help you in revising things properly. Okay, so this is the one what we are introducing in this new thing in this batch. Okay. Now, revisions, as I told, that revision video will be already uploaded. Now, if you are someone who has enrolled for this batch, but you don't have time to watch it live, definitely all the recordings of all the live batches will be uploaded on our portal within 24 hours of the conduct of the live session. Okay. Now, if you are interested in the batch, there is a Google form in the description box. Fill that Google form. Our team will reach out to you. Now, For FR and SBR students, both of you, okay, there is a free orientation session which will be conducted on 14th of September. Please make a note of the date and time carefully. For FR, the orientation will be happening on 14th September at 11 a.m. India time. For SBR, the orientation will be conducted on 14th September at 2 p.m. India time. Okay. So please make a note of the date and the time carefully. See you in the orientation session. Now, understand, if you are someone who is interested in the batch, you have three things. You have three options. Point number one, you can reach out to me directly. You have my contact number available, right? Point number two, you can fill the Google form and our team can reach out to you. Point number three, you can directly visit our website and purchase our classes. Okay. Now I will quickly run you through how to enroll directly from our website. Okay. Just give me a minute. I will quickly run you through. So now what you have to do is you have to visit bbvirtualsglobal.com. Please make a note of the website carefully. bbvirtualsglobal.com. Okay. Now scroll down. You can see FR paper and SBR paper. Let's suppose I'm taking the example of FR. Okay. So click on FR. Okay. You want which batch? English batch or English batch. So now what is the difference in these batches? So full English everything will be in English. But if you select Hindi English batch, so now in this the concept lectures will be in Hindi, rest everything will be in English. Okay, the price of both the batch is the same. Okay, live or recorded, you can select anything because our entire batch is live or entire batch is recorded, so there is no difference. Okay, whichever you select is everything is fine. Okay, you have to log into it and you have to okay. And yes, one thing, don't forget to apply the coupon code. Okay, sir, where is the coupon code? See, it will come as a pop-up. Okay, don't forget to apply the coupon code. Okay, similarly for SBR also, full English and Hindi English batch. Okay, so make sure you are selecting the best batch according to yourself. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me, you can reach out to my team, you can fill the Google form, and yes, we will help you out surely. Okay, see you in the orientation session. Thank you guys. Bye bye.